Welcome if you're new, and welcome back to my channel if you're May Baby. Anyways, so as you guys can see, today's video is going to be another do my hair with me video. I'm going to unbraid this braid because it looks very ugly, but as you can see, I have already parted my centerpiece. I'm going to be doing some bangs and a ponytail do. I'm going to record myself doing these braids with you guys, and yeah, let's get right into it, right? Period. Okay.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been
Okay guys, so I finished this side. I wasn't sure how I was gonna do it, but babes, I did it. Y'all, I did it. Now I'm gonna do this side, which I'm not going to record clearly because I had a hard time figuring out this simple dumb nuggets. Anyways, so yeah, I got this side done and ready. And then I'm just gonna do this side. Once I think I have like 4, 1, 2, 3, about 5 more braids on this side. I don't know if I want to braid any in the back. Probably should, to be honest. Probably like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 8 braids in the back. If I have energy to. Because I'm doing 4 right here to come down. Y'all gonna see, like, right now it look a little crazy. It don't make sense. It looks stupid. Like, y'all gonna see it, like, you gonna see the vision. Like, trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. You gonna see what I'm talking about. Period. Okay, guys. You guys see what I did there? I put it in a ponytail. And now I just need to, the finishing touch, which is like this puff right here. You guys see this puff? Yeah, this is what I need to cut this shorter, yes, but let's make this a little more wider so I can get all the parts. So, I'm gonna, let me adjust this. I'm going to go ahead and, I'm gonna put oil in my hair first though. And then I'm gonna clip the hair clip in, and then we're gonna start braiding the front hair, what's over here.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but but do you know? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome.
And as you guys know, I use my wild hair growth oil, and then I have my other oil. This is from the African store. It's got garlic in it. I'll use this. I only use this when I'm doing box braids, and then also when I'm doing my bantu knots, I use this. This is what I used for my last time. Put on my curls. Those are my different products. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and clip these things in. I can go right down here. What I don't want to do is I don't want to cause myself any problems. It's like lower than I want it to be, but it will do for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that part. I'm gonna fix this part up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this top. Probably I might show you a little bit. I don't know. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises, we got me out of work. So I got 2 braids done, and I put the beads in the end, the red beads in the end. So I have 2 more braids to go, 2 more hair pieces to go. I'm gonna have 1 left, and I'm probably gonna take some braids out from the back, some hair from the back, and like braid it down, so like it'll be like, you know. Yeah, I didn't really think this through, y'all, but yeah, I like this so far. So let me see, you guys, what I'm looking at so far. Period. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm gonna do my edges later. I'm kind of really tired right now, but I did the beads in the ends, and yeah. Period. This is looking really very much cute. I like it a lot, and yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Yeah, period. Let me stop, because I look real good, okay? I look really good, y'all. I really like this. It took me about an hour to do this, so yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, if you guys like it or not. I love it. That's all that matters, but I want to know if you guys think it's a cute look. All right. You already know about what I'm about to say, okay? I want you guys to go ahead and turn on that post notification bell, cha-ching, 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 because you know you want to see more of my goofiness, because I want to see more of what? You, period. Okay. I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and be part of my beautiful Mai Babies. Bye.